Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Super excited, I'm doing my husband's favorite dish, one of his favorite dishes. This is chicken fry and it is super simple to make. If you want to know how to make this amazing recipe, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and review all our ingredients. I've got two chickens here that are cleaned and cut. I've cut them in 8 pieces, and what I've done is I've made some slits on this, and this will really help us to get all the marination inside. Also make sure that the chicken is fairly dry, so that when you put all the marination in there and the spices in there, you're not gonna be having a lot of liquid in there. Okay, so as far as all the ingredients are concerned, very simple. There are a lot of ingredients, but it really you need these ingredients to make this super delicious. So here you will see that I have 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can see here that I have half a cup of cornstarch, but you want to use 1 cup of cornstarch. I did not realize I started this video and I am completely out of cornstarch. So I can substitute it with half cup of rice flour if I want it. But I'll see the consistency and then I'll let you know. But you want to use 1 cup of cornstarch. We're going to do about 1 teaspoon and a half of salt, and I'm using the Himalayan salt. If you want to use that, that's fine. It's healthier than the table salt. Next is going to be, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. Now, you know ginger and garlic, I love the taste of it. It gives this chicken an amazing taste, and this is homemade and it's fresh. I have a video of it. You can check that out. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to use one tablespoon of, 2 teaspoons of amchur powder or mango powder. So again, 2 teaspoons of amchur powder. I've got here half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. I've got 1 teaspoon here of roasted crushed cumin seeds. So basically you just take your cumin seeds, you just pan roast it, and then you grind it. And this really makes this chicken stand different from other chicken recipes. Here I have 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I have 1 teaspoon of garam masala right here. I have 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to use 1 egg, and we're going to use 4 teaspoons of any chicken 65 powder mix that you have. Now, I honestly have worked with this video, and I've worked with this recipe so many times, and I'm telling you, for some reason, just that little bit of the chicken 65 mix gives it the color and gives it that taste, and I absolutely love that. So that is a key ingredient that I use in this video. So that's about it. Now we're just gonna throw everything into this chicken, everything you see here, and we're gonna marinate this chicken for about the least amount you want to do is 25 minutes. If you can do it overnight, that'd be great. But 1 hour, which should be okay, and you can even do it for 1 hour. We're going to be doing it for 1 hour today, but if you don't have much time, at least 20 minutes. Marinate it for 20 minutes. So what you want to do is you really want to get in there with your hands. I'm wearing a glove here. This is a food safe glove. And I am going to really massage this chicken so the marination really gets inside of it, and the slits that we made. So you can see in this marination that we don't have a lot of water oozing out, which is perfect because you don't want too much marination, liquid marination out there, okay? And yours is going to be a little different because the other half of the cornstarch is going to make more difference. It's going to stick onto the chicken. So here's our oil. It's nice and hot. I'm going to start adding our chicken in. Now you know that the oil is ready when you just take one of the pieces and you just dip it just like that in there. It starts sizzling. That means it's ready to get going. So we'll just add enough pieces in there. You don't want to overcrowd the oil. Now, to make sure that the chicken cooks really well, we are gonna cover it. And we'll cover it for about 7 minutes. And we'll let it cook for 7 minutes. When we come back, I'll show you how you're gonna be able to tell that the chicken is done. It's been 7 minutes, and look at that. You can already see that the chicken is starting to turn white. See that? So this really helps the chicken cook up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the pieces, all of them, and then let this cook uncovered for about 7 more minutes. So I gave it about 5 minutes. You can see that you can tell that the white inside is done and it's really nice and crispy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pieces out and I'm going to put this on a paper towel so the excess oil all drains out. And just like this, I'm going to go ahead. If you see any pieces that are a little bit more needs time, just leave it in there. But otherwise, most of the ones should be completely done. So our chicken fry is done and it's really nice and crispy. And when they come out, they'll be a little soft, but as they get cooled down, it's really nice and crispy. And I'll give it a taste test, and I've cut into one here. Look at how soft. And I want to show you because I want to make sure that you know that you follow the temperatures that I told you, and when you cover it and stuff, that's when your chicken is completely gonna be cooked. Oh my God. My husband is gonna be in heaven today. He loves this chicken. And because it's fried, I don't make it often, but it's soft and those flavors are really sharp flavors. This is absolutely delicious. And what you can do is after you're done with frying this, one very important thing is you want to take some lemon pepper or like some seasoning salt or whatever you like and just sprinkle a little bit on there. I'm telling you, that goes a long way. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that bell on the left hand side over there so that you get notifications every time I upload a video. Please take this video in all the social medias out there. Help me reach 100,000 subscribers. I'm available on Pinterest, on Instagram. I have a Facebook page and also Twitter. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.